We are going to start this live online researcher lead training on applied AI deep learning with Python for data analysis. So firstly, I would like to thank all of the participant guests, especially the researcher in the field of industry and academician, and also the intern students and all the dignitaries that have been joined in here, also the guests. So basically, this is a arrangement, and we want to basically build up a community where we will work on to design the product for industry, and also to contribute in the scientific community, so that we can build a better field future for our community. Okay, so basically here we will have we have taken on category, that is healthcare, where we will have taken multiple data sets, and where we have been implemented multiple models, and we will build up the project, and we will finally show the results in the master section. So this is basically uh, a section of 36 hours, and it will be covered under 18 days, and each session is can be continued within 2 hours. So I am just waiting for our guests. Hello, sir, Pavan sir. Sir, are you hear me? Can you hear me, sir?
Hello, Milan. Yes,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes, yes, sir. I am
Thank you
here.
so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. It's our great pleasure that you have been here. Sir, we have just have been taken an initiative to build up a community for our research field. So, sir, I am just uh, uh, I just want to that you will just give me our one of your two speech line in within 1 minute, so that we can be motivated, sir. You are audible.
Right. Uh, Good evening, everyone. Milan, Gaurav, all the researchers, technicians who are part of this audience. Myself, Dr. Pawan from Lovely University. First of all, I want to appreciate the organizers, all of the Bani, Inner Amlan, and for taking this initiative. See, if I want to summarize in one or two lines, this webinar is very, very relevant when we talk about AI, deep learning, especially for data analysis and other things. As
Yes, sir.
like if I talk with my field, I have worked in machine learning, and my key area of interest are always into how can we create trust in the stakeholders in whatever machine learning based solution we are making. Because combat may how accurate your machine learning based models are or intelligent models are, unless you are able to get the trust both from the end users or the community or the stakeholders whom you are making it for, it's difficult to get the penetration which is required for the necessary adoption. So if we talk about the upcoming years, I guess all of you might be aware about the terms like interpretability, explainability. So all these are basically initiative towards the direction where we are not talking only about models which are accurate, but we want to have solutions which not only give accurate answers, means 99 percentile accuracy is one essential criteria. Yes, they need to be accurate, but at the same time, if we need to keep in mind that your stakeholders are not AI experts. They may be medical specialists, they may be doctors, human experts, legal experts who do not know how the background algorithms are working. For them, the outcome of your model should not be only okay, yes or no. This patient is having tumor. Not only this, unless your medical expert is getting the necessary explanation that why your intelligent system is suggesting a positive or negative test for the disease, it is less likely to be adopted. So it becomes equally important that our machine learning based solutions are not only accurate, but they are friendly in the sense they give explanation to their decision making behavior. So that if I am a doctor and suppose Allah is giving me a solution to detect breast cancer or any other type of critical disease, if I do not get the necessary explanation for the outcome of the model, I am not I'm not likely to trust that and apply it on human subjects, right? So to summarize that now if we talk about there is a lot of debate which goes on that AI is replacing humans. So we're talking about man versus machine. But actually, in my viewpoint, the time is of to move away from man versus machine discussion to man with machine discussion. Because as a human being, we have our own characteristics, and machines have our own characteristics. For example, if you're working in the ICU, doctors or human staff cannot wait or work 24 by 7 with the same accuracy. But the machine is definitely capable of monitoring your biometrics or clinical signals, data with extreme accuracy throughout the day. But when it comes to experience of the doctors, yes, there is a gap. Machines are not still that intelligent. So, in my viewpoint, we should all, our community should work that how can we move from man versus machine discussion to man with machine. So, with this, I wish all the organizers very best, all the participants very best. And I'm sure after this training, you all will be more knowledgeable and you will be able to create wonderful solutions for the society. Thank you, Imran, for giving me time. Thank you, Gautam, and wish you all the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Okay, now basically our course it's a basically master course, and this course is basically designed within 18 classes. So this is the basic materials that is being covered under multiple sessions. So I will explain a little bit in the upcoming session. So what you will basically get, our main initiative is to build up a community which will work on multiple fields, multiple categories, and they can contribute to the research field and the industry field also. So you will get 10 plus hands-on project on a particular category. So for basic things, so we have taken the healthcare section, and where we have built up, we will build up 10 plus projects which will be provided to the courses that was being taken by the participants. So here you will get all the project codes with PPTs and recordings. Then you will also get the certification from verified organizations from us, and that is also being affiliated with multiple institutions. And so the basic only one thing is required, that you should be passionate, you should be focused, and you should be punctual, and you have to work under pressure, because it's a very short session where multiple courses has been integrated together. So if you just think of just only machine learning, it can be a 4-month course, but we have done 5 6 courses in a single session, single course. So you have to be passionate, you have to be work every day, every second, so that you can grab the things, otherwise it will be difficult. So basically you need to just have the knowledge of basic programming knowledge. So this is the basic projects, we will explain it later. So in our first class, we will just explain how the Python, what is the basics of Python, and the basic environment can be set up by Python, and the related terms of Python, like the variables, how the data types of variables. It is a very introductory class. So as a programmer, everyone knows that where everything has been covered, like operation operators, arithmetic operators, and like that, control structures. This will be the basics of Python that has been covered in our first class. In our second class, we will also explain a little bit about lists and loops, where how to create that lists, indexing the lists and slicing. Also uses of the multiple loops, like for loop, while loop, and the other loops. Then the coming to the next section of functions and modules, and how many types of functions are there, how to define the parameters, and how the return values can be implemented in Python. So we have all done in the basic programming like C and C++, and in the Python also we will explain a little bit, so that it will be beneficial for the beginners. Okay, so in the third class we will explain the basic data structure and functions that is being integrated with the Python language, where you will understand the basics of the statistical analysis like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, skewness, and finally, after the analysis, how the exploratory data can be analyzed, and finally the defined libraries like numpy, pandas, and how the data can be visualized, like after the analysis of the data, how the data can be visualized as a chart, like basic chart, specific plot chart. Here so many charts are mentioned here. And in our fourth class we will basically going to start our main course. So basically the first three courses are the prerequisite course, prerequisite classes, where you have to be very passionate and very adaptable. Because if you miss the class, so you will not understand the basics of the model that is being implemented on that particular data set, because programming concept should be cleared. So this is very important. And the final, in the fourth section, we will explain what is artificial intelligence and the categories of machine learning, including the artificial intelligence, also the deep learning, and the difference with respect to the traditional methodologies that is being already available in the market, and how the data can be categorized as a supervised or unsupervised, that means it is ordered or not, and the algorithms that is being used for the ordered data and the unordered data, like the unsupervised learning. So this is basically the basic machine learning algorithms for supervised and unsupervised. Also, we'll explain a little bit about the AI, artificial intelligence model, like reinforcement learning and the other things. Here, some of the things also being explained, like the classification, regression, clustering, and association rules are is being explained in our fourth class. In our fifth class, we will try to explain how after how the data can be how the data prepared basically, and we will implement the data manipulation in here. Okay, how the data can be clustered, how the data can be manipulated, and the basic things related to here, like how the data can be scaled, normalized, pre-processed, and formatted, how to select the features and the related things. And when we have done these sections, we obviously got a little bit confidence to build up our first project. So our first project is basically on diabetes classifier. So after, when we will implement our first project, we will give you an assignment. So if you have done these 5 classes, you will understand this project is done through this process. So you will obviously take part in the assignment and you can implement it. Okay. Now in the sixth class, we will take a review of the 4 or 5 classes, and we'll also the other half session will be taken for visualization, and the results that is being given by the participants for the assignment one will be explained a little bit, so that you can understand where the uh, uh, things can be sorted out and can be improved. So here in this visualization section, we will explain a little bit about the descriptive statistics, frequency tables and summarization, and variable univariable analysis, and lots of things. So then we will also give you the explanation of the project too, where it is basically based on the fatal disease situation classified detection, and we will also show the results of the assignments. In our seventh class, we will show the statistical analysis, data preparation, feature selection, data splitting approach to build up your model. So here we will cover statistics, data preparation, feature selection, and the related things of this particular section. In our class 8, we will also give you the third and fourth project, which is basically the kidney disease. Basically, we will take a data set from a well repository platform, and we will implement any particular model onto that data set, and we'll show the results. And it will obviously give you the confidence that in your area, that could be anything, that could be finance section, that could be automotive section, that could be real estate section. So how the data can be classified, how the data can be arranged, and then classified, then verification, and then pre-processing, and then after, how the model can be implemented. So if you learn this section, this categorical this healthcare category, healthcare sections, you will also be able to cope up with the development of the project for your particular sections also. So here we have we'll show the project 3 and 4 and also give you the assignment 2. And in the class 9, we will show the data analysis by ML models, where basically after the implementation of the model, we will basically find out the evaluation parameters, like how the data can be trained, how the validation can be done, and how many portions can be done, and how the graph can be visualized, and then find out the confusion matrix and the type 1 type 2 error. These are all the things that is related to the model after the implementation. So then we will show the results of the assignment 2. Then in class 10, we will show the neural networks. This is basically a part of deep learning. So we basically want to implement all the model uh, up before class 10. It will be from machine learning, and after uh, ninth class, we'll implement the deep learning algorithms to sort out the project, to implement or to develop the project. Okay, so in basically ANN, we have covered multiple things like perception, logic gates, ANN, and how it's working, the single layer, multi-layer, then feed forward, back propagation, cost function, activation function. Then multiple algorithms have been included here. Then the use cases are being used there, and so many things. Okay, now okay, now in the class 11, we will particularly show how the TensorFlow framework can be implemented in the Colab platform, and how the integration of Keras API with the TensorFlow. So it's a very important, because if you want to develop any particular project using the deep learning, you have to be efficient in, you have to good in implementation of the project in TensorFlow framework. So this is, after that we will implement this project 6, which is basically the heart disease detection, which will be explained a little bit by our technical sir, Golam Rabbani sir. Okay, so then in our class 12, we will explain a little bit about the perception and activation function of deep learning. Here, all the related things have been explained, and I will share all these materials to the class discussion group, so that you can understand it a little bit more in the upcoming session. So here, all the things have been covered, and here we will also show the project results that is being done previously. Okay, now we will also the deep learning. We will also continue the same session with the class 13, like the deep learning, where linear algorithm, regression, feature selection, input matrix, and other things have been also explained. Also, the explanation of logistic regression will be started from here. Uh, then we move forward to the computer vision, that means the image pre-processing, where we will basically use OpenCV library, and how by using this library, how the multiple sections can be implemented, like the image pre-processing working, and implementation of image, edge detection, and smoothing of image. So these are being covered in that particular section. And then we will develop a project that is basically from a data set, and from a data set which is basically for COVID-19 data set, and we will that is basically an image data set of X-ray, and we will implement any particular model using the image pre-processing. Then we will find out the results in this particular project. So like that, we will implement the class in CNN. There have been so many things have been there. So like that, we will done the rest of the things like VIT model, YOLO model. Then we will, at the last class, we will explain the things, that is basically what is the existing project that we have done, and what the market, or what the industry requires from us. So when we have both of these two things are being clear on our mind, we can explain the gaps. So when we can explain, when we have reviewed multiple review papers, then we can find out the gaps, and we can also fix the novelty, so that we can build up our research work. So basically in this section we will totally work on the research field. So first is how to find out the research and thesis writing, then the topics, how can we get, how the literature review can be done, and how the after the literature review, how the gaps can be finded, and how the novelty can be initiated, and finally the methodologies can be created, then the collection of data and the verification analysis of the data, and finally the writing of the paper after the experimental of the particular analysis. Okay, so these are the things that is being covered, and finally the citation, how the paper can be cited. These are all being covered in a single course. Okay, so this is basically the overall course. I am not getting enough time to explain all of the things. So this is our main instructor, Mr. Engineer Ghulam Rabbani sir. So who is basically will lead the further discussion from here right now. Thank you, Aman. There have been lots of participants from different countries. That's why, sir, you are just you can share your screen. Okay, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, yes, okay, sir. Is it visible from my side? Yes, sir. Yes. There are multiple participants, and there are participants from different countries, different cultures, different voices, different languages. So, someone, not me, it is possible to conduct this session in Bangla, someone session conduct with Hindi. So I'm requesting to all, after this session, you can contact with us as your mother language. We'll discuss on it. I'm Engineer Gaurav. I'm from Bangladesh, and you can contact with me from this number. You can also search me from this website. Our website means iraic.com.bd. You can get lots of information, our process description, our live course prices, recorded, and lots of information, our previous alumnus, our previous participants who were already established in different industry. They are already connected with the research community also, and they have our Facebook page. You can search on it, and you can visit the site, and then here also we can use our site. This is our Facebook page. Already have 10,000 followers, and they have our lots of informations are already annual signing session already done with Lenin University with their cybersecurity center, and our previous students already established in Japan, China, Malaysia, and they are already established their work in different specs. Not only that, they already got two patents also. So this is a complete full-length industrial course. If you purchase this course, then you get full-length information. Uh, Specifically, after sixth class, this course is full of 18 classes. So after sixth class, you can announce yourself as a data analyst. And after 12th class, you can say yourself as a data scientist. And after 18th class, you can say yourself a complete researcher. Then you can get and build a specific and customized model, AI model. So this course is full-length professional for making yourself as a data analyst, data scientist, and a researcher. So you can get all information here. Our session will be finished in 5 minutes. So now we want to take your question and answer. If this session is closed, you are already connected with us in our WhatsApp group. I hope all are connected in our discussion group here.
already connected this group here. Hello participants, I'm asking to you, asking to all our participants are connected this group, discussion post group. Yes, sure. Yes, sir. Okay. So after 5 minutes, this session will be closed. After this session, we'll take your questions and we'll try to our level best to answer you. What's your expectation? What's your actually need? And what's actually you want to uh, learn from this course? So, on my side is complete. So after 5 minutes, this session will be closed. We'll start in our Meet group, okay, Google Meet group. So all are requested. Please join after this session in the Google Meet. We'll already mention here our Google Meet link.
Hello participants, basically we will share a Google Meet to our personal discussion group where you will be able to see all the implementations of the course that is being explained by me. So please stay here, and we will also show some other certification and lots of things. So please be connected.
Okay, after this session, we'll connect this Meet link and we'll discuss so many things and we'll take your questions. So after this course, you'll get certificates from our site. So this is actually our full-length course projects. These certificates already will we have 100 plus successful participants and we have distributed our all certificates to themselves and this course actually already online showed everything. I'm just showing little bit. Artificial intelligence is our main focus and supervised learning is our main focus. And we build a machine learning model and data analysis capacity from CSV file and Excel file. And we'll build a function capacity for our researchers. And from our industry personnel, we can use any kinds of machine learning classifiers model, any kinds of deep learning models. And researcher can develop their own model also after this course. Okay, and then after this course, you will submit some projects and assignment, and then you'll get prestigious certificates. You can attach these certificates with your CV. Okay, then do you have any questions? We'll just taking about only please from your side. You just share our price and so many things.
Okay, sir, how many times have been left from the meeting?
Within 2 minutes.
So, okay, basically,
Give me your presentation here. Download it.
okay, so basically, I have covered all. So if you go any particular platform like Coursera, Udemy, and anywhere, this course can be separated in multiple courses, like 7 to 8 courses, and the price will be varies from 40,000 to 75,000. And if you go to any particular platform like the IIT, you can see that this course can be covered like the industry-based AI and industry-based course is almost 1,70,000. So it is too much costly. So our main target is to focus to build up a community. That's why what we have done, we have basically given this is our basic course price, but it is not right now. It will be for limited time. We have just taking this all of these projects, all of these codes all of this covered machine learning, deep learning, and the other sections mentioned in the in my presentation will be given by only $50. So if you take the courses from India, you have to pay 5,000 after the conversion including the GST. And if you take the recorded version, that means whatever the courses that we have already been provided, it is being recorded in our classroom and the multiple sources. So you have to pay the 2,000 for the Indian users. And for the rest of the world, if you want to pay, you have to pay by any of the platform that is being suitable for in dollars only. So here is so many contestants are here. Those are taking the courses. And why you have to choose? Because it is a research based delivery, because we are all the projects we have been providing is basically focused on the research. And this is the thing. So because you already understand the project that we are providing for any particular categories is all our research based project that we are sharing. So after the observation or implementation that has been taken place by our team, you will understand in your section how you can build up your model, build up the research work. Okay, so all the projects have been shared to you. Okay, then the thing is we have very limited seats. So you have to do a fast, you have to take a very initiative that you can take a decision fastly to take part in your seats. And the things is already been mentioned that you what you get. So there is an enrollment process. First of all, those who are interested, we will create a Google form in our WhatsApp group, where you have to fill up your data that we are going to take the master courses. That means by giving us the fees of $50 only $50, and the recorded version is only for $20. So it will depend. You will just contact with us in the group, and we will give you the form to your mail, where you have to fill the form and you have to pay the fees. And if you want, and also from the website panel, uh, you have to from the website panel you have to register and send the payment proof with us. Then we can verify the things, and finally the credentials have been uh, given to your mail, and then you will get all the access of the premium contents into your Google Classroom and also in your website platform. So this is the enrollment process, and finally the certification collection. So when you will be able to when you go to websites, there will be a session of the certificate collection. So when you have done all of these certain requirements, you will just submit all of the documents, all of the things that you have done, like the assignments, the projects that is mandatory. So then you will be able to apply for certificate, and we will verify the things and provide you the certificate, including the lifetime access to the all the materials via the Google Classroom and the website platform. So this is basically the end of the session of our from ours. Now we will take the questions from your side. So now everyone is open to ask any questions.
You can ask your question from your own language also. English is not mandatory. You can ask from
Yes, yes.
Hindi, Bengali, anything. Please ask us. Sorry, can you ask anything? Attendance link they have is certification. This is a webinar. This is not our live course. Our live course is already mentioned this group. When you purchase this course, okay, you just click here. If you want to purchase this recorded course, you can click here and fill up the form. And when you enroll now, when you click enroll now button, then you just choose browse your course. There have two courses. This recorded version from of only for Bangladesh students, and this course for international all students. So when you just purchase this course, you can submit your enroll now button and fill up your all documentary payment procedures, and you can contact Indian persons, or you can contact with us, director and coordinator international, and you can connect with us in our WhatsApp group, discussion group. Okay, when you just ask anything in this group, we can forward our all details and resources here. So this is actually easy process. When you just submit your data, and just when you sign up yourself in this course, then you just purchase and proceed your regular course online version. You also get one access when you just pay your amount. These are regular batch. This is live course batch group, where already all students mention their projects, assignments, and they already connecting with us. They already submit their projects, codes, and this is full length hands-on project based course. So there are lots of discussions here. So don't worry, when you ask anything for this course, you can get your specific answer. So can you ask anyone? Anyone? কেউ কি বাংলায় কোশ্চেন করতে চাই?
You can ask
অমলান?
any questions. You can ask any questions from any language, like not only any language, like Bengali, Hindi, English. So because the contestants are basically from Bangladesh, and from India, and from the rest of the nearby parts. So we are taking the questions. Uh,
হিন্দি অলসো?
Hindi
এনিওয়ান?
also. If anyone wants to ask any questions, I am here to give you the explanation.
ভাই ক্লাস বাংলায় নিলে ভালো হয়, ইংলিশে বুঝি কম। আচ্ছা, এইটা ক্লাস না, এটা ওয়েবিনার। আমাদের যারা পারচেজ করবে, যারা লাইভ কোর্স পারচেজ করবে, তারা হচ্ছে পুরো রিসোর্সটাই পেয়ে যাবে বাংলায়। আমাদের সব কোর্সের কোড সবকিছু আমাদের গুগল ক্লাসরুমে দেয়া আছে। আমাদের প্রত্যেকটা কোর্সের হ্যান্ডস অন প্রজেক্ট সবকিছুই গুগল ক্লাসরুমে দেয়া আছে। সো ক্লিয়ার? এই এবং হচ্ছে এইখানে যারা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমাদের আমির স্যার জয়েন করছে মেবি, আমাদের অ্যাডভাইজার স্যার।
না, আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমি আমির বলছিলাম সিলেট থেকে।
ওকে আমির ভাই,
থ্যাংক ইউ ফর লেটিং মি ইন দিস সেমিনার। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you, Amir. Thank you. So, Amir Bhai is one of our participants, previous batch. Okay, so any kinds of question? আমাদের এখানে যারা হচ্ছে রেকর্ডেড কোর্স এবং লাইভ কোর্স কিনবে বাংলাদেশ থেকে, কন্ডাক্ট হবে বাংলাতেই। এবং যদি কেউ ইন্ডিয়া থেকে কিনে, দেন ইট শুড বি হিন্দি অ্যান্ড ইংলিশ অলসো। অমলান, ask anything from Hindi.
Yeah, so if you want to ask anything from Hindi and English, I am going to explain all of your queries. So basically, the participants that I am getting in here, 2 or 3 participants are from India also. So if you have any queries, you can ask that how this course can grab you for your career, how you can implement your career in a better sections. So you can ask any questions. I
Okay.
am okay. Some of the participants are there, like Simar. Simar, can you hear me? Hello.
আচ্ছা, মাঝখানে ছিলাম না। বাংলাদেশিদের জন্য লাইভ কোর্স কত? লাইভ কোর্স হচ্ছে আমাদের অলরেডি আমাদের লাইভ ব্যাচ চলতেছে। এই যে লাইভ ব্যাচের আমাদের এই ফল 2025-এর অলরেডি আমাদের ফিডব্যাক নেওয়া হয়ে গেছে আমাদের মেবি হচ্ছে 6 ক্লাস ডান। এই যে আমাদের সোর্স কোড সহ এখানে দেয়া আছে আমাদের কোড, মানে সবকটা ক্লাসই প্রজেক্ট বেস হয় 2 আওয়ার্স লেন্থ। সুতরাং এই প্রজেক্টগুলো হওয়ার সাথে সাথে আমরা ওইটার সোর্স কোডটা দিয়ে দিই, এবং এই সোর্স কোডগুলো দেওয়ার কারণ হচ্ছে প্র্যাকটিসের জন্য, এবং যেগুলো রেকর্ডেড মানে লাইভ ক্লাস হয় সেগুলোরই রেকর্ডেড ইয়েগুলো ভার্সনগুলোই আসলে পরে রেকর্ডেড ব্যাচের স্টুডেন্টরা ওটা পড়ে। সো এইখানে আমাদের $20 আমাদের হচ্ছে রেকর্ডেড কোর্স। তাও আমাদের যারা প্রিভিয়াস স্টুডেন্টস তারা আমাদের সাথে কানেক্ট করবে, এবং পেমেন্ট প্রসিডিউরস এখানে দেয়া আছে। লাইভ কোর্সের জন্য এখানে ক্লিক করে সে ফর্ম ফিল আপ করবে, এবং সেই প্রসেসে ইন্ডিয়ান যারা তারা এই প্রসেসে ফর্ম ফিল আপ করবে, বাংলাদেশি যারা তারা এই প্রসেসে ফর্ম ফিল আপ করবে, এবং ফর্ম ফিল আপ করার পর তাদেরকে আমরা অ্যাপ্রুভাল দিয়ে দিব। এবং এট দ্য সেম টাইম ইনরোল নাও বাটনে গিয়ে প্রত্যেক পার্টিসিপেন্ট সাইন আপ করবে, এবং সাইন আপ করার পর সে কোর্স লগ ইন করে কোর্স পেমেন্টে তার টিআরএক্স নাম্বার, যারা ইন্ডিয়ান পার্টিসিপেন্টস দে অলসো upload their UPay TRX verifications, then you can admit this group. ঠিক আছে? আর এখানে আমাদের যারা সেশনে ছিল তাদের জন্য একটা মাস্টার ফর্ম ছাড়া হবে, যারা ওইটা ফিল আপ করবে তাদের জন্য একটা ডিসকাউন্ট প্রাইস আছে। From India, they must be contact with Amlan Kumar Sarkar, Indian Amlan Kumar Sarkar, and from Bangladesh you can contact with us. I'm Engineer Gulam Rabbani. So this is our common platform, so you can get good discounts for this webinar. So this is our common communication group, Wings Digital World Course Discussion Group. So you can ask anything and discount price and so many things. Anything else?
I think everyone has got all the information that we shared. So we can just now share two of the materials from us. One is the course outcome, course materials like the index content to the group, so that you can further verification of the courses that is it suitable for you or not. And then if you think so, it is suitable and it will help you to build up your career, then you can find out the master link that is being shared with you also in the group, where you have to fill out all the information with by providing the appropriate payment verification, and we will get back to you with the live session. Okay, so that's the thing. So
Thank you.
last time I'm asking if you have any types of query, you can ask us.
Hello,
So
sir.
yes,
Yes,
Am I audible?
yes, audible.
yes, audible.
Sir, as you said before, that this course is for researchers and master students. Sir, am I undergraduate student? So
Can
is
you
it?
just hello? Can you tell me your name? You are my student.
Yes, sir. I'm Lovepreet Kaur.
Okay. Yes. Tell me.
Sir,
Yeah.
as an undergraduate student, is it will be fruitful that session for me?
Actually, if you have the basic programming language like C, C++, and Java, so you will obviously, as a final year or third year, fourth year student, you will get the basic knowledge of Python, because Python is very easy regarding to the other languages. So if you have it has been cleared, then you can implement your knowledge for the implementation of the project in here. So it is a very good chance for everyone, not only for the academician, because they will work on the research field, industry field, and their scope is very high. But as a as an undergraduate final year student and intern student, you can do some basic projects which will help you to build up your CV, because your initiative is to build up the CV. So if you get this 10 projects with live codes, so you can convince your particular company when you are being interviewed that these are the projects that we have done. We have also been interested in certain industries where we will work on that particular data sets. So this is the basic thing, that if you have interested in any of the particular section, then you can use this knowledge to particular section. Then they will obviously observe the things that you have done some real life projects, and they will give you the chance. And when you have done some good works there, obviously there will be, you can understand that what will be the difference between the existing project and how the existing project should be implemented in a research based project. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
It
Yes,
will
yes.
be also help you in your thesis. It will also help you in your further
देखो मैं
post
एक बात
graduation also, not only
मैं
undergraduation.
हाँ, मैं एक बात और भी बताना चाहूँगा कि अभी तो देखो हमारी ये 1-2 दिन में ही ये डिसीजन हुआ था कि मैं इसको लॉन्च करूँगा इंडिया में। तो बेसिकली हमारे पास ये नॉट ओन यही कोर्स अकेला नहीं है, और भी बहुत कोर्सेस है जो हमारी प्लेटफ़ॉर्म में मतलब आने वाले दिनों में ना हम शेयर करेंगे। तो अभी हमारी लिमिटेड टाइम के कारण हम बहुत कुछ नहीं दिखा पा रहे हैं। तो जो भी हमारी मतलब तुम समझ ही रहे हो कि जो इंडस्ट्री में मतलब आईआईटी से कोर्स कर रहा है और वो भी ऑनलाइन में 1,70,000 पे कर रहा है, और कोर्सेरा उडीमी से ऑलमोस्ट 70,000 80,000 पे कर रहा है। तो हमारी एक इनिशिएटिव है, क्योंकि हमको एक प्लेटफॉर्म का कॉस्टिंग फिल करना होगा, हमारी मटेरियल्स का कॉस्टिंग फिल करना होगा, देयर आर सो मेनी कॉस्टिंग्स आर देयर बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू मेक ए कम्युनिटी फॉर द फ्यूचर। सो उसी को लेके हमें हमें हम अभी बेसिकली कोई ऐसा चार्ज ही नहीं ले रहे हैं। हम जस्ट एक कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे हमारी मल्टीपल सेक्शन से सभी कनेक्टेड रहेगा, एंड सभी हमारी सेक्शन में जो इंडस्ट्री बेस्ड एंड रिसर्च बेस्ड वर्क होगा इसी में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा, क्योंकि हमारी बहुत प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है। तो हमें वो इंटर्न स्टूडेंट चाहिए जो हमारी प्रोजेक्ट में एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट को समझ के रिसर्च बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट डेवलपमेंट करने में हमको मदद करे। ठीक है, और इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो जाए, ताकि इसी से उसकी करियर भी आगे बढ़ेगा, हमारा भी कंपनी आगे बढ़ेगा, और वी कैन बिल्ड अप ए बेटर थिंग्स इन द फ्यूचर also. So this is the explanation. Thank you for asking me the question, but I want also questions from the another participant that is being here. So if you have any question, please ask. And also you can contact furthermore in the upcoming session or personally, so that I can explain your exact query, because it's a just a meeting where everyone is here, so we can't take all the questions and give all the explanations. So this is the thing from my side.
So, okay, if they have no questions, so we'll just conclude ourselves and we'll just finish this session. Before finishing, I'd like to request Amir Hossein Bhai uh, say something for our new participants for your experience about this course.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Amir Hussain. I'm actually very old. I'm 43 years old. I did my master's from Japan, and uh, when I am very addicted to new things, learning new things, the new AI and the machine learning. So I was afraid if I'm able to learn the new technique, the Python programming, the machine learning, and the go into the deep learning session. So I was scared at the first time, but the session motivated me, and the good thing about the session is uh, the teacher, he gave us the lot of information in a single class. If I go through the uh, task or the uh, uh, the module he provided us, I think is very easy. I'm very confident that within a very shortest time I learned many things, and thanks to this session. And if I can learn the Python programming, the machine learning and deep learning, you must be young guys. You are smarter than me. You can learn very easily, and it will help your career. Obviously, the world is moving very fast. You have to adapt to this learning stream. I think you will be able to learn many things within a very short time. It's very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Amir. Thank you. Thank you. So this is our finishing time. So this is actually our 16th class course. Is a computer vision DICOM image. So after this course, you can expertise on computer vision, CSV file, Excel file, JPG, PNG, and different kinds of TIFF image also. So we'll just request You just connect with us and purchase this course. Wish you all the best to all. Thank you.
My last query to everyone that we will provide the master's course sheet where you can enroll, and also share the content in the group, so you can furthermore uh, whosoever is interested can contact us and we will get back to you. Thank you.
Thank you to all.
Okay, so we can concluding from here right now. Okay, goodbye everyone.